Hey everyone, welcome back to Camera Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and greatest in cameras and photography gear. Today, we're diving into the top 9 best cameras under $1,000 that are perfect for vlogging, travel, or just capturing life's amazing moments. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, these cameras offer incredible features without breaking the bank. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right in. Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo is a hybrid instant camera that combines digital convenience with instant print fun. Its retro-inspired design makes it stylish and portable, perfect for creative photography on the go. You can preview your shots digitally and then instantly print your favorites in classic Instax Mini format. With multiple shooting modes and filters, this camera adds a playful, artistic touch to every photo. Its rechargeable battery ensures you can capture memories wherever you are, and the combination of analog and digital controls makes it easy for beginners and pros alike. Ideal for parties, travel, or casual photography, the Instax Mini Evo delivers a unique, tangible experience that sets it apart from standard digital cameras. 64-megapixel 4K vlogging camera. If you're serious about vlogging, the 64-megapixel 4K vlogging camera is a powerhouse. Its ultra-high-resolution sensor ensures crisp, vibrant images and sharp 4K video. The camera features a flip screen, making framing selfies and vlogs effortless. Advanced autofocus and image stabilization mean your shots remain steady even while moving. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry on trips or daily adventures. Plus, it comes with multiple creative modes, filters, and zoom capabilities to enhance your storytelling. Whether you're shooting cinematic travel footage or casual day-to-day content, this camera delivers professional-looking results without overwhelming complexity. It's perfect for anyone looking to step up their content creation game without breaking the bank. 56-megapixel 4K vlogging camera. Next up is the 56-megapixel 4K vlogging camera, designed for content creators who need quality and flexibility. With its high-resolution sensor, it captures detailed photos and smooth 4K video that make your content pop. The camera's flip-up screen ensures you stay in frame for perfect selfies or vlogs. It also includes image stabilization to reduce blur, and shaky footage, essential for handheld shooting. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, or everyday vlogging. Creative shooting modes and digital filters let you add your unique style to every shot. Whether you're a beginner or experienced vlogger, this camera combines simplicity, versatility, and high-quality performance, making it a reliable companion for creating eye-catching content. 64-megapixel travel vlog camera. The 64-megapixel travel vlog camera is perfect for capturing your adventures in stunning clarity. Its 64-megapixel sensor produces detailed photos, while 4K video support ensures cinematic quality footage. A flip screen makes selfies and vlogs effortless, and its lightweight design means you can carry it anywhere. With built-in image stabilization, your videos stay smooth, even on the move. Creative modes, filters, and digital zoom give you the freedom to personalize every shot. Ideal for travel, outdoor activities, or social media content, this camera balances ease of use with professional features. Whether you're exploring new cities, documenting trips, or creating daily vlogs, the 64-megapixel travel vlog camera delivers exceptional quality and versatility without overwhelming complexity. 75-megapixel 5K vlogging camera. For vloggers seeking ultimate detail, the 75-megapixel 5K vlogging camera is a game changer. It offers incredibly sharp 75-megapixel photos and crystal clear 5K video, making every shot look professional. A fully articulating screen ensures easy framing for selfies and vlogs. Advanced autofocus and electronic stabilization reduce blur and shaky footage even during action-packed moments. Compact and portable, it's travel-friendly and ideal for creators on the move. Multiple shooting modes, filters, and zoom features allow for endless creativity. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or cinematic content, this camera delivers stunning results without complicated controls. If you want high-resolution performance under $1,000, this is a top choice for both aspiring and seasoned content creators. Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera. The Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera is designed with creators in mind. Its high-quality sensor and lens combination deliver bright, detailed photos and smooth 4K video. A flip-out screen makes framing selfies or vlogs effortless, while image stabilization keeps your footage steady. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for travel, content creation, or casual shooting. Its audio capabilities ensure clear sound, making it ideal for talking head videos, interviews, or streaming. Creative modes, background blur, and filters allow you to personalize every shot with ease. Whether you're new to vlogging or upgrading from a smartphone, the Sony ZV-1F balances professional features with user-friendly design, making it a reliable choice for any content creator under $1,000. Fujifilm Instax Wide Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Wide Camera is all about fun, instant photography. Unlike the mini version, this one produces larger prints, perfect for capturing group shots or scenic landscapes. Its simple controls make it beginner-friendly, while creative features like exposure adjustments and built-in flash allow for more artistic shots. Lightweight and portable, you can bring it to parties, trips, or casual outings. The wide format prints give a retro, tangible feel that digital cameras can't replicate, making it ideal for scrapbooks or gifts. Rechargeable and durable, this camera blends convenience with nostalgia, letting you enjoy photography in a playful, hands-on way. It's a great choice for anyone who loves instant prints and creative expression. The W&O Flip Vlogging Camera. The W&O Flip Vlogging Camera is a versatile, budget-friendly option for content creators. It features a flip screen for effortless selfies and vlogging, along with a high-resolution sensor for clear photos and smooth 4K video. Image stabilization ensures steady footage even when filming on the go. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry for travel, outdoor adventures, or daily content creation. Multiple shooting modes, digital filters, and zoom capabilities let you add creativity to your videos and photos. Whether you're a beginner or a more experienced vlogger, this camera offers a great balance of affordability, quality, and portability. It's an ideal pick for anyone looking for reliable performance without spending over $1,000. 48-megapixel 4K vlogging camera. Rounding out our list is the 48-megapixel 4K vlogging camera, designed for creators seeking clarity and versatility. Its 48-megapixel sensor captures detailed photos, while 4K video ensures professional quality footage. The flip screen makes selfies and vlogs easy, and built-in image stabilization keeps videos smooth even while moving. Compact and portable, it's ideal for travel, outdoor content, or daily vlogging. With creative modes, digital filters, and zoom options, you can personalize every shot to match your style. Lightweight and user-friendly, this camera delivers a perfect balance of high-quality imaging and practical features. It's an excellent option for anyone who wants a capable vlogging camera without spending a fortune. That wraps up our top 9 best cameras under $1,000. Each of these cameras offers a unique combination of quality, portability, and features that make them perfect for beginners, travelers, and content creators alike. Whether you're looking for instant prints, high-resolution vlogging, or compact travel cameras, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description for pricing and more details on each product. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Camera Lab, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.